Let me show you a simple show and tell of how I made. First, you place your pattern on your fabric. So this is the back pattern which I'm going to use to cut out the front pattern. So but because the back pattern is just plain, so I have to cut the back pattern first, and that's what I'm doing right here. So just cut out the back pattern. I added a zip allowance, but there was no zip on the fabric because the fabric is a stretchy fabric. So I just sew it just to give it a fitting at the back of the shirt of the dress. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and leave a comment below. So the next thing is to cut the front panels. So you can see I've adjusted my pattern to the front side of the dress, which is a twist dress. It's twisted in front. So this is just a simple way of how I did it. So if you want me to drop a detailed video of how I got the front panel, please leave your comment below and I'll drop a video of that. So I just cut out this is the simplest method for making this twist dress. There's so many other methods. So it's a stash and spread method of your regular front dress panel. So you're done with all the cutting. The next thing is to place them together. So I'm just going to show you how it will look when you finish making it. So this is how you join it. You join it this way. Yeah, then you pass the other part of the front panel, because the front panel is 2-in-1. You pass it through the slit, and here you have it. Just join it together and join the front panel to the back panel, and then you have your tray. Okay, I hope you can give it a try with a simple illustration. If you want a more detailed illustration, just leave a comment below in the comment section. Don't forget, like this video, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.